Which translation earbuds actually work? Simple question, but the answer is: you've got 144 languages here, 198 there, all promising real-time translation. But which ones deliver when you're actually ordering food in Tokyo or negotiating a deal in Madrid? Let's cut through the noise. Product number 1, EUQQ AI Translator Earbuds. First up, the EUQQ AI Translation Earbuds at $45.78. What caught my eye was the 144 language support and open-ear design, perfect if you hate that plugged-up feeling. If you want budget-friendly translation that doesn't sacrifice comfort, this is worth a serious look. You can go from English to Japanese mid-conversation without tapping anything, just speak naturally. The 4-in-1 modes cover live recording, face-to-face chat, video calls, and voice calls, so whether you're traveling or in a business meeting, it adapts. Plus, the IPX7 waterproofing and 8-gram weight mean you can wear these jogging or in the rain without worry. With over 3,000 sold last month, people are clearly trying them out. Now some people complained about the touchscreen being overly sensitive, accidentally skipping tracks while adjusting volume. Here's the thing though, you can disable certain gestures in the app, and once you get used to it, it's more helpful than annoying. Also, the translation accuracy dips slightly with heavy accents, but for everyday travel, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler on a budget who wants open-ear comfort and don't mind a slight learning curve. Skip this one if you need ultra-precise translation for high-stakes meetings. For under $50, it's a steal. Product number 2, Pickle 198 Language Earbuds. Next is the Pickle model at $50.87, same price range, but now we're talking 198 languages. That's a big jump, and it includes AI chat and image generation, which the EUQQ doesn't have. If you want more languages and extra AI tools without paying premium prices, this one steps up. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Bluetooth 6.1 gives you a rock-solid connection up to 33 feet, which means no dropouts when you're walking through an airport translating signs. The 4-mic system with active noise cancellation picks up your voice clearly even in noisy cafes, something travelers constantly struggle with. And with 60 hours of total battery life, 10 per charge plus 50 in the case, you won't be hunting for outlets during long layovers. Over 2,000 sold in a month shows it's gaining traction. Now some people complained about the open-ear fit feeling loose during workouts. Here's the thing though, the silicone ear hooks are adjustable and once tightened they stay put. It's not ideal for intense running, but for walking tour or casual use it's fine. Also, the app occasionally lags when switching modes, but updates have been improving it. This is perfect for you if you travel internationally often and want extra AI features like image translation for menus or signs. Skip this one if you need a snug in-ear fit for gym use. At just over $50, it's a smart upgrade from the EUQQ if you need more languages. Product number 3, Stesi 164 Language Earbuds. Now, if Pickle's open-ear design didn't suit you, the Stesi at $25.43 brings a traditional in-ear fit with 164 languages. This is the cheapest on the list, and honestly, it surprised me. If you want solid translation under $30, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 99% claimed accuracy in 164 languages is impressive for the price, and the 7 translation modes, including photo translation and voice memo, make it great for language learners. The 75-hour total battery life is insane for $25, and the LED display shows exact charge levels so you're never caught off guard. Now some people complained about the in-ear fit causing discomfort after an hour. Here's the thing though, the TPU ear hooks help, but if you have small ears, they might still feel bulky. Also, the translation delay is slightly longer, around 2.5 seconds, which can break conversation flow in fast-paced talks. This is perfect for you if you're a student or budget traveler who needs basic translation without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need instant response times or all-day wear comfort. For $25, it's hard to beat. Product number 4, CSASN Simultaneous Interpreter. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for business use. The C-Sasson at $101.74 focuses on one thing: simultaneous interpretation with sub-2-second delay. This isn't just for travelers, it's for professionals. The AI chat uses OpenAI 4 Mini for smart responses, and the 164 languages come built-in with no subscription, unlike some competitors that lock features behind paywalls. The 13 hi-fi drivers and ENC noise cancellation deliver crisp audio, so you hear every word clearly, even in echoey rooms. Now, some people complained about the bulky charging case and the need for AA batteries. Here's the thing though, the battery life is reliable and the case, while not sleek, protects the earbuds well. It's a trade-off for durability. Also, the app can be confusing at first, but once set up, it's powerful. This is perfect for you if you're in global business, diplomacy, or frequent cross-border calls. Skip this one if you just need casual travel translation. At $102, it's an investment, but for the right user, it's worth it. Product number 5, Pickle Premium Q16H3. Finally, the Pickle Q16H3 at $127.18, same brand as 2, but this is their flagship. It keeps the 198 languages and open-ear design, but adds premium materials and better mics. If you want top-tier translation with no compromises, this is it. The Bluetooth 6.1 ensures zero lag, and the 60-hour battery with fast charging, 5 minutes equals 1 hour, means you're never down. The touch controls are refined and the app integration is smoother than earlier versions. Now, some people complained about the price jump from the $50 model. Here's the thing though, you're paying for better build quality, clearer audio, and more reliable performance in tough environments. If you're serious about translation, it's justified. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent international traveler or remote worker who needs flawless communication. Skip this one if you only travel occasionally. At $127, it's the best-in-class option here. So which one wins? For budget travelers, the Stessi at $25 is shockingly good. Need more languages and open-ear comfort? Pickle's $50 model delivers. Business users should lean towards C-Sasson for its pro-grade interpretation. And if money's no object, the Pickle Q16H3 is the most polished. Translation earbuds aren't magic, but the right one can get you surprisingly far.